Parties announced free SOPs in the run-up to the Delhi elections to attract a key vote bank, that is 15 lakh slum dwellers. For context, Delhi has 675 slums and 1,700 hutments. Those living in the slums constitute 10% of the total electorate in Delhi. Abhimanyu Sharma travelled to the capital slum areas to do a mood check ahead of the elections.
Neglected by urban planners, dubbed as unauthorized and an eyesore by many, slums comprise of an important vote bank in this city-state of Delhi. In assembly elections dominated by 3- or even 4-way contests and thin victory margins, political parties are mindful of the fact that the next CM might be decided by the votes of those who are not sure of whether they'll have a roof over their heads tomorrow. Approximately 80% of Delhi's 15 lakh slum dwellers had voted for Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party in previous Delhi elections. This time around, these residents are upset with political parties who are coming to their doors for votes. In the last 5 years, many slum dwellers have lived with a constant sense of fear of their homes being demolished. More than 30,000 demolitions have taken place in the past 5 years. The Aam Aadmi Party has accused the BJP-led central government of demolishing at least 12 slums in the national capital.
पानी तो साफ ही नहीं आता है। पानी का तो रोड भी बोला बना दूंगा, कहाँ रोड बना रहा है?
यहाँ कई बार झुग्गी टूटा है, वो शौचालय वाला सब कहता है यहाँ का कर्मचारी को तनख्वाह नहीं मिला है।
कुछ नहीं हुआ, कभी उधर झुग्गी टूटती है, कभी जो झुग्गी टूटती है। सर्वे का कागज हुआ था हमारे कहीं ये 7-8 साल पहले हुआ था।
वादा तो कोई पूरा नहीं कर रहे हैं। गंदगी और पानी 2 चीज की परेशानी है।
5 साल में वोट लेने और उसके बाद तो वोटें लेके बाद चले जाते हैं।
गैस का सुविधा भी प्राप्त नहीं हुआ है।
Rehabilitation of slum dwellers has been an election promise, but it's easier said than done due to 46 different land-owning agencies and court orders to clear encroachments. Arvind Kejriwal, in door-to-door campaigns, has focused on the Aam Aadmi Party government's schemes for free electricity, water, healthcare and transportation. He has warned voters that BJP, if elected, would demolish homes of slum dwellers. With these residents constituting 10% of the vote bank, there is a heated battle between the Congress, the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party to win them over.
इनको चुनाव के पहले झुग्गी वालों के वोट चाहिए और चुनाव के बाद झुग्गी वालों की जमीन चाहिए।
पिछले 11 साल से अरविंद केजरीवाल चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं दिल्ली के। एक अपार्टमेंट भी आज तक उन्होंने किसी गरीब को बना करके उसकी चाबी ना तो शुरुआत करी है, ना तो उसके हाथ में कुछ मिला है आज तक।
PM Modi recently inaugurated Swabhiman Apartments in West Delhi, which is a slum rehabilitation project. Over the last 6 months, the BJP has conducted an outreach campaign to strike a chord with slum dwellers. Party leaders have stayed overnight in slum clusters to show their commitment to residents. But it remains to be seen how this group will vote in the 2025 Delhi Assembly election.
यहाँ पर हम लोग जुग्गी है, वहाँ पर मकान दे दीजिए, जिता देंगे आप लोग के जितना भी जुग्गी है सब।
अरे बल्ब जलता घर में देख लो यार। ले, ये बुरी आदमी कमाने खा रहा कहाँ से ये जलाएगा बताइए? हाँ सरकार का करे फ्री है बिल। हाँ इस पर जी रहा मैं।
केजरीवाल ने जो भी बोला है वो बात पूरी करी है उसने।
उम्मीद देखिए हम बीजेपी से कर सकते हैं।
डीडी की जगह थी वहाँ पे बीजेपी ने वो अभी झुग्गी वालों का शोक नगर में 1576 फ्लैट दिए हैं।
Highly sought after as a vote bank by political parties, many slum dwellers view the act of voting as either pointless or as a transactional exercise to save their slums from being demolished. While all political parties are guaranteeing amenities and even rehabilitation, it would be a painstaking and a costly promise to fulfill in the national capital. In Delhi, this is Abhimanyu Sharma for CNBC TV 18.
All right, it's time for a short break.